I have been struggling to make money online for almost 2 years now. I finally found this simple way. I want to share with you. Get paid for your opinion. Work at home, make money no matter where you are in the world. Enjoy and choose from thousands of high-paying surveys. Receive payments by PayPal, check or wire transfer. Redeem exciting rewards and gadgets from Amazon, Apple, Samsung, Sony and more. No matter where you live. By being a member of goldopinions.com, you may find yourself taking paid online surveys about electronics, medicine, politics, sports, advertisements, appliances, or even what you ate for breakfast. These are just some of the ways you can make money with our online paid surveys and strategic partnerships with major corporations. We are the source between you and these paying corporations. Our proprietary partnerships make it easy to make thousands of dollars per month. How do you participate? Becoming a member is easy. Just click the Join Now button to start. Once membership is confirmed, you can start earning points and cash by completing online paid surveys anytime and anywhere via PC, laptop, tablet, cell phone or mobile app. After accumulating a certain amount of points, members are able to redeem them for cash or items within our rewards catalog. Please click the link below to start now. If you like this video, please subscribe so that I can make more of such videos.